The Arctic by Riley, Thessaly, Haley, Carter, and Cameron.
Location. The location of the Arctic is in the south and north, which includes Greenland and Alaska, several parts of Europe and Russia, and you can also find it in Canada and some of Siberia.
Weather. The Arctic has cold winter with temperatures of -30 or -34 Celsius, and in the summer temperatures of 37 through 54 Fahrenheit or 3 through 12 Celsius. And the average rainfall is 15 to 25 centimeters or 6 to 10 inches.
Adaptations. There are behavioral and biological adaptations. A biological adaptation is a polar bear's thick fur, which protects it from freezing temperatures. A behavioral adaptation is a thick-billed mara who dives into the ocean.
Food chain. A producer in the Arctic is the dwarf shrub. And the primary consumer in the Arctic is the Arctic hare. And the secondary consumer in the Arctic is the Arctic fox. And the ultimate consumer in the Arctic is the Arctic wolf.
Plants. There are 1,700 species of plants. In the Arctic, the plants huddle together to get warmth. The plants are red algae, fungi, Arctic willow, pesque flower, bearberry, saxifrage, Arctic poppy, and cotton grass.
Animals. The Arctic is home to lots of wonderful wildlife, including polar bears, Arctic fox, walrus, seals, whales, reindeer, snowy owl, killer whales, ox, moose, and narwhal. Some animals: narwhal, Arctic fox, ox. People. Even though it is freezing cold there, people live there. About 4 million people call this winter wonderland their home. There are the Indonesian people of the Arctic called the Inuits.
Did you know that the Arctic is less than 3% of the Earth? In 1896, the first explorer explored the Arctic. In only 6 weeks of summer each year, the soil has little nutrients for the plants. The tundra is the biome most affected by human pollution. The ice sheet on the Arctic is 4 times the size of Texas. The Arctic Ocean is the only place in the world where polar bears live.
Questions. What is one food chain from the Arctic? What is your favorite fact? Do people live in the Arctic? If so, what are they called? How many people live in the Arctic?
The end.
The end.